Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can use coconut oil and lemons to avoid smelly underarms. This does not just ward off smelly underarms, it also helps to lighten your dark underarms, exfoliate your skin, thereby removing the dead skin cells from the surface. The acidity of the lemon will help to lighten your dark underarms, exfoliate your skin, and remove the dead cells from the skin surface. So this is like a two-in-one thing. If you want to eliminate unwanted smelly underarms and you also want to lighten your dark underarms, then this is the video for you. Combination of the lemon juice and your coconut oil is going to do a whole lot of good. So I have a lemon here which I have been squeezing into this lemon bottle, and I have my coconut oil as well, and I'm just going to combine these two elements together in order to achieve a consistency that we can use for our dark underarms. So I'm going to just take a teaspoon of coconut oil and some lemon juice as well. Mix these two elements together. It's oil and like water, so don't expect perfection, but just try to mix it as much as you can. Can you see it's slightly getting homogeneous? Though it might not fuse together because they are separate solubles, but try to make sure that it's infused together as much as possible. So let's just go on to see the application process. So just get a cotton pad and dip it into your mixture and apply this all over your underarm. The oil in the mixture is going to help to moisturize that place because lemons have acid in them and they can be drying, so the oil is going to help to moisturize your underarm. So guys, leave this mixture on your underarm until it is absorbed. You can leave it for about 10 to 20 minutes before you rinse off and before you pat dry. You can use your moisturizer, you can use oil on it afterwards, even if you've had a wash, to keep that place well moisturized and to avoid marks on it. So doing this consistently for at least 2 to 3 times a week will help to avoid smelly underarms and to also keep that place lightened up. If you enjoyed my video, kindly share this video, kindly thumbs up, kindly subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. I will see you in subsequent videos. Stay beautiful, stay healthy. Bye.